Hey, what is up, guys? It's Rafael here, your seven-figure e-commerce coach, and today I have a different kind of setup here because I'm traveling in Spain. But what we're going to talk about today is how one student in my Inner Circle program went from zero to $15,000 in a single month with what I'm teaching and what we're doing in the program. Let's get into it right now. So this student actually started dabbling in e-commerce about 2-3 months ago and was kind of lost. He had like a little bit of info overload, which is where a lot of students that come to me actually have. They see a bunch of courses, they see a bunch of videos, but they don't really know where to go and where to start. So he started his own niche company, so his own niche store. And what I loved about him is that the store that he started is a niche that he's very passionate about and that he has a lot of experience in. So what I want to emphasize here is that when you create a new store and you want it to be successful as soon as possible, you really have to know a little bit about the niche, or at least be passionate about that niche. I see a lot of people starting up, fishing stores and outdoor gear stores and traveling things when they're not really passionate about that. And this student in particular, the niche that he chose, he was passionate about that. So we got on a couple consultation calls. He went through my course and then he started learning step by step, started setting up some Facebook ads, and slowly, he started growing and getting better. As you can see in the screenshot here, you can see the little nice progression, like slowly. We had about 3 consultation calls right before Black Friday to get him ready for that awesome weekend. As you can see right there, he made a little bit over $5,500 in 4 days from Black Friday all the way to Cyber Monday. So he absolutely crushed it, Starting from zero, you can see that amazing progression. I absolutely love that chart just because it goes to say how much progress you can make in such little time when you choose the right program. So other things I can say about this is that the traffic driven was both Facebook and Google. So he's actually combining different sources of traffic. So Facebook, Instagram, Google. So another lesson here is don't rely on one type of traffic. If you're just driving Facebook ads, you can't really expect it to absolutely crush it because you're not driving different types of traffic. You're not driving different types of audiences. He did a lot of retargeting. So retargeting was a huge play on this. So I definitely recommend, if you have no idea where to start, first start out with Facebook ads, do some Google advertising, Instagram influencers, but also retarget all that traffic that you're getting. If you're doing like SEO traffic, I just had someone in my private Facebook group ask about free traffic. She's getting like 500 clicks a day and she's not getting sales. What should she do with that traffic? Retarget it with Facebook ads retargeting, right? It's all about combining all these different types of traffic and traffic sources. So yeah, this student absolutely crushed it. I have another student right now who's almost crossing $10,000 a month, and I have another student who's doing consistently about $8,000 or $9,000. So the program is absolutely killing it. We're growing every single day. So if you're interested in the program, seeing what's included, check out the first link in the description down below. So another thing I want to say is that this student was a little bit demotivated at the beginning of the month. So another lesson from this and from having this student grow so fast is that he was actually demotivated at the beginning of the month, thinking that there was too much information overload. He didn't know what to do, and he was feeling down. He was feeling like he wasn't like worthy, or he wasn't going to reach any goal that he put for himself for this month. And he ended up absolutely crushing whatever we thought that he was going to do. So that just goes to show that if you actually commit and you work and you focus on what you have to do and the right steps and the right processes to get to where you want to go, it's 100% possible for you or for anybody else to actually achieve what you want to do. If you want to see a little bit more proof, you can check out that link in the description. I show like real student testimonials and real student successes right there that you can see step by step everything that my students have done inside the program. But yeah, that's essentially it, guys. Those are the lessons from this. Is one, just don't give up. If you're feeling kind of down, you're feeling kind of scared that you won't reach your goals, it's all about implementing the right processes and committing to action, committing to really pushing until you get there, and then combining different sources of traffic and choosing something that you're passionate about, that you really like. This student is really passionate about his niche, and I think that's one of the keys that made him so successful. Apart from me helping him out in the program, I think that's what made him grow so fast, and he's going to keep going. Probably next month is going to be like 25, 30K a month. Just because he's so passionate about this niche and about this store and this business, and he wants to grow it to the next level. But yeah, Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like below, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to check out the Inner Circle private coaching program, check it out in the first link in the description. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.